Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, we're going to do a classic makeup tutorial. I want to take you guys through a soft glam makeup look. It's going to look something like this, really beautiful, very versatile. You can wear it for cocktails, as bridesmaids, at events. It is so easy to even pump this up a bit if you want to make it more smoky. But this is what I like to call a classic Preiti look because this is what you'll find me wearing at majority of the events. Once you get the hang of this, it's so easy. You can do this under 10 to 15 minutes. And for today's makeup look, I'm going to be using these beautiful makeup brushes from PAC Cosmetics. Just look at that, you guys, so bougie. These are so beautiful, you guys, so classy. This is from their T-Series. It has 7 different brushes, and these are cruelty-free because they're not tested on animals. And also, these are vegan. These are all synthetic bristles, and they're so soft, so no animal fur. They have a patent pending on the T-shape right here. This is very, very unique, you guys. The shape is so beautiful. It helps you get into all of those areas where a normal round brush wouldn't. Even the small concealer brush right here has this triangle shape, which makes it so easy to get around these corners. They've put a lot of thought behind these brushes. They also come with a 1-year brush warranty, and I don't think any other brand does that in India, which is fantastic. Fun fact, you guys, I've been buying PAC products since a decade now. I used to buy their products even back in my ad agency days when I used to be a brand strategist, business manager, and honestly, none of their products have disappointed me. Very, very good quality, superb shelf life of all of their brushes. I've used so many of their brushes in the past. I have a lot of PAC stuff. I'm a PAC fangirl through and through. Okay, you guys, let's dive right in. But before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram too. I post a lot of behind the scenes, a lot of stories, a lot of chit chat and DMs. I love building this community with you guys. So please hit the subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and continue watching this video. My skin is all prepped. You can see how dewy it is. I also have my primer, so let's just go in. I'm going to start with my concealer. Of course, it's the PAC concealer. I've been repurchasing this for so many years. I also have a makeup empties video coming up really soon. I'm going to be talking about this there as well. This is in the shade Butterscotch. It's a perfect match for my skin tone. I have a mirror right here, so let's just go in. We're going to dot these areas. I don't use a lot of concealer, just a little bit. I'm also going to do a foundation routine, so I don't want to use too much concealer. Let's just cover these spots. That's a birthmark. I have active acne. We're going to spot correct that as well. I'm not using any color correctors. I also have a lighter shade. Butterscotch is my perfect shade, but this is to just brighten the area. I'm going to use a tiny dot, and that's about it. I forgot the shade name. I'm just going to mention it on the screen. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to use these two right here. These are concealer brushes, T07 and T06. Now, what I like about all of these brushes is that they have a nice weight to them. So even if your hand is a little shaky, this still gives you precision. If the brush is way too lightweight, you're going to get shaky and it's not a good time. I'm going to go in with the T06, one of my current favorite concealer brushes, because just look at that. This tiny triangle, all of the T-shaped brushes in this range are so fantastic. I really, really love this because you can conceal your under eyes, all of these bigger areas of your face with so much ease.
I absolutely love this brush. Look at how seamlessly this blends everything. The T shape is perfect for around the eyes, around the nose area because those little edges really help. It's so soft in the skin, perfect for delicate under eyes and also around the mouth area where we have a lot of delicate skin. Look at that blend, you guys. So much better than a makeup sponge or even doing this with your fingers. Now I'm going to go and spot correct those tiny acne. I'm going to use my T07 for a nice precision. This is really good. Perfect for acne marks or hyperpigmentation. I also really like this for cleaning out the edges of my eyebrows. It does a great job.
I'm going to use my T02 brush. It's so densely packed, really good to blend foundation, especially in bigger areas like your neck as well. I've already used this. I've washed this for this video. It blends all of that foundation so beautifully. Densely packed bristles are very important. They don't make your foundation look streaky. They don't absorb a lot of product. And this is just so good. Now, usually I don't apply foundation. I just go in with some loose powder, concealer, and that's about it. You can use any foundation that suits you, but because we're doing a soft glam makeup look, we've got to use some foundation for a nice clean canvas. I already have concealer under my eye, so I'm gonna try and not take my brush there. Look at how beautifully this just blends out. not streaky at all. And it's so easy to get into these corners because it's got this T shape. Beautiful stuff.
I don't love beauty blenders as much as I love these densely packed brushes for foundation. They're fantastic for jawline and larger areas like your neck or your chest. This doesn't leave any streaks all over the face. It just seamlessly blended everything out and it doesn't absorb a lot of product. For more precision, I'm using the T07 again around the nose and even under my eyes in the fine lines.
That brush is fantastic. The application was so quick. I'm going to set my under eyes. I'm using the T03 brush. It's a smaller powder brush. I'm just using it for my under eyes. I don't want to cake it too much, so I'm just using a light hand. Set the eyebrows too. I love how this goes into the corners so seamlessly. I'm going to use T01. This is a big powder brush, so I'm going to use that for my neck and all over the face.
For loose powder and setting your makeup, you need a fluffy brush like this one because it really blends all of that in. Use gentle tapping motions, don't press too hard. It picks up a lot of product. Absolutely love it. Great for large areas.
The canvas is ready. Let's add some warmth, some dimension, contour, some bronzing. I'm going to use T05 right here. It's a nice brush that helps to conceal but also buff it out. So I'm going to use this to contour because I feel like it's going to work really well. It's got this nice shape for my nose as well as my eyes.
I picked up a little too much product, but that wasn't a problem because this brush just buffs everything out so beautifully. This is perfect for nose contouring because it's fluffy, doesn't leave any streaks. It's great for the eyes as well. I absolutely love this, man. It's great for under the lips as well. I like to add a little bit of shadows under the lips for that fuller lip kind of a look. And now I'm going in again with my T03. I'm using this to bronze my face. I'm using a neutral bronzer so I don't need to go in with a separate contour. This is fantastic. The shape is perfect for contouring, bronzing. I'm also going to chisel out my jawline and just add a little more shadows to the face because I just want a little more warmth and a little more dimension. After dusting this off, I'm using the same T03 for adding blush. It's super fluffy, so it doesn't give me a patchy application. I really love this for blush.
I'm going to go in again with my T07. I'm going to use this on my outer corners because it's so tiny and it's perfect to add that nice dimension to the eyes. It packs in a lot of color.
T07 is perfect to add that darker color on the outer corner because it's so tiny and densely packed. Really good stuff and even great for the under eyes.
I'm going to first do highlighter and then we're going to go in with shimmer on the eyes, mainly because I just don't want it to get too shimmery. I want to go for a soft glam, not full glam. I'm going to use my PAC Spotlight Radiance Liquid Highlighter in 01 Gold. I've spoken about this on Instagram too. I love this so much. It's a beautiful champagne gold, not too yellow. It looks so stunning, even in daytime and night. I'm going to dot it on the back of my hand. And to blend it all in, I'm going to use my PAC T04. This is a very soft, fluffy brush. It's very good to blend out highlighter, cream products. It's not too densely packed, so it allows you all of this movement and it's not streaky at all. It's actually really soft. Very cool stuff. So I'm first gonna dot. This is really intense, guys. You don't want to use too much product. Look at how beautifully it just blends all of that in. Look at that. Ooh, so beautiful. This blends everything so beautifully.
I'm just using the remaining on my nose as well as my chin because I don't want too much highlighter on these areas.
Gonna dot right here in all the areas where the light hits me first. Just look at that, you guys. This highlighter is so beautiful, and this brush is my current favorite for all my liquid highlighters, all my liquid blushes, because this blends so beautifully. And I did all of that as the last step on top of my already set makeup. This does not move makeup at all. It's so soft, it's so fluffy. And that liquid highlighter, you guys, you can use it on top of makeup too. It doesn't move base makeup at all. I feel like this looks good. I'm just gonna dab in some shimmer. Just gonna use my fingers. Shimmers are best when you use it with your fingers because it really sticks onto your eyelid. Just gonna dab a little. I don't want it to be over the top. This looks nice. This looks good. I'm going to use some more loose powder with my T04 because I feel like I just want to set this a little more. I'm going to do a short wing, finish off my lipstick, and be right back. And this is the final look, you guys. A beautiful soft glam look. Perfect for cocktails, perfect for dinner dates, perfect for events. Even Indian wedding functions, you can wear this because it's so versatile. I've used a nude lipstick with a brown lip liner. You can also do red if you reduce the eyeshadow a bit because you don't want everything to be really heavy. But this by itself, if you go for a nude lip or like a nude pink or a nude mauve, it's going to look so beautiful. You can switch the champagne for gold or copper depending on your outfit. But this, just the way it is, will go with every single outfit. The base is so flawless, you guys. These makeup brushes are fantastic. I've used that small concealer brush for my eyeshadow and just look at that blend. So beautiful. Let me know in the comments what you think about this makeup look. This is my go-to look. You can literally do this under 15 minutes. These brushes are a game changer. If you want to ace that base, if you don't want streaky, patchy makeup, you need to get these because they are so soft. The application is beautiful and that T shape, you guys. I feel like I'm going to go on and on about this even on Instagram because this is so unique. This T shape was perfect to bronze and contour my nose, to even chisel out my jawline, to add that dimension and depth. And even this tiny one, it's got the T shape again. It makes it so much more convenient for concealer to just shape your eyebrows, clean anything down here, the crow's feet right here. Beautiful stuff. Now, this is the T series from PAC with 7 brushes. They also have an S series. Now, the S series has 16 brushes. I'm going to leave all the info in the video description below. You can obviously buy them individually as per your need or get all of these together. Ever since they launched, these have been my go-to because the shape is unique. So classy, the weight is not too heavy, not too light, doesn't give you that shaky hand, really good precision. And honestly, they're so soft without animal fur. You guys have to try them out. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this makeup look and these brushes. Now, usually I use a setting spray, but I just feel like this is set by itself. The base is flawless. It's not moving anywhere. This looks really good. I think I'm going to take myself out on a date because I don't want this look to go to waste. I'm going to take your leave now, guys. But before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all of my videos right here. I will catch you all in the next videos. So then take care of yourselves. Bye.